Hello, today I will show you how you can yourself simply change Gucci Sank XXL rubber watch band. Two things what you need to do. Okay, it's three. One, paperclip. Second, euro, money, coin, it doesn't matter. First, we open this. Then you can see there's a pin. A hole and there's a pin. We press out with a pin, paperclip. That's done. It's out. Now from other side you can see we are pressing it out. That's done. Take it away. Then we order new watch band. Can do it on Etsy, eBay, doesn't matter. So we can use old pins or we can use new one, doesn't matter. Everything's the same. So first thing what you need to do is put it back in this position. And so you can see a light through the hole, yes? Okay. Then we take a pin. Simple as that. And that's why we need a coin. To press it, not to damage our fingers. Then we do the same with the other side. We look at the hole, so we can see the light. Yes. And we do it so. Well, it doesn't want to go. Let's try again. Let's check. Light is there. Yes. Pin is there. Yes. And that's it. Put it just a little bit with a coin, so it's inside. And here you go. That's simple as that. You see the position. That's it for all. Thank you.